we are going to start a new chapter which has to do with array operations. In this session, we are going to talk about elementary operators. The standard elementary arithmetical operations are plus, minus, product, division, and power. Let's have a look at this table. If we have operator plus, which means addition, and if you have two variables x and y, then we can add this up, variables x plus y, or in algebraic form, we can write x plus y. Other operator is minus, which we can do subtraction, for example, x minus y, and on algebraic form, we can use it x minus y. Another operator is product, which is denoted by star, and if we have two variables x and y, then their product can be written x times y, or in algebraic form, just x times y. Slash is operator for division, and if we have two operators x slash y, then we have to divide them, or in algebraic form, it is the same as here on programming. And we have two stars, which means we want to power one number by another. So in example, x power on y, x, and here it is a subscript of y. When two operators are scalars, it is easy to predict the result. By scalars we mean simple variables. For example, x1 is 9, x2 is 5, x3 is x1 plus x2. Let's do it on a spider. Let's first minimize this, and we have x1 equal 9, x2 equal 5, x3 equal x1 plus x2. And let's execute this and have a look at Variable Explorer. When we execute this, we see that x3 is a sum of variables x1 plus x2. Now we can divide these two numbers. Let's put another variable x4 equal x1 divided by x2 and see the result after the execution. We see that the result is 1.8. We can do this on the console as well. Let's say x1 plus x2 and x1 times, let's say, x2. So 9 times 5 is 45. In cases when x and r are arrays, the result is more complex. That's it for this session. I hope you enjoyed. See you on the next sessions.